The Yamaha Stage Custom hip drum set delivers a surprisingly full, punchy tone from its compact, shallow shell design that works equally well on small stages and in tight practice spaces. Its 100% birch six-ply shells provide a focused low end, clear mids, and controlled highs that respond very musically to both light touches and heavier playing. The bass drum has a shallow depth that keeps the footprint minimal while still producing a solid, authoritative thump that feels much bigger than its dimensions suggest. The floor tom includes a snare-style strainer, letting you switch between traditional tom resonance and a snare-like crack for creative grooves and compact hybrid setups. Yamaha's mounting and lug hardware keeps shell contact to a minimum, so the drums resonate freely, stay in tune reliably, and feel stable even under energetic playing. Overall build quality, from the clean bearing edges to the smooth hardware operation and classic white finish, makes this kit feel far more refined than many compact drum sets.